Welcome back, dear student. In this video, you will learn how simple but powerful tool flashcards can help you remember biology terms and key definitions more effectively. So, dear student, flashcard is a small card used as a learning aid. It usually has a question or a keyword on one side and the answer or explanation on the other. It's a quick, effective way to test your knowledge and improve your recall. Now, I am going to share some topics where flashcards can be used. Now, I am going to explain one example and you have to explain the other example by yourself. So, example number one, let's say you want to learn the definition of osmosis. So, on the front of the flashcard, what is osmosis? You will write what is osmosis, and on the back side, you will write the definition of osmosis: the movement of water molecules from the region of higher water concentration to the region of low water concentration through a partially permeable membrane. Now test yourself, read the front, recall the answer, and then flip to check. Now you have to solve the example number 2 by yourself. Hurry up. So start making your own flashcards, digital or paper, and use them every day for 10 minutes. Trust me, your brain will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 3, where I will share another memory trick for biology. Have a good day. Bye bye.